Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you could just hold that for me. Yep. Thank you.
Okay, come on, kitty. You do nice work. They're on there. They're good. Attaboy.
Jeez.
Oh my God. You're in my... I can't see shit. But a cat.
B5? Yes, good girl.
What's on there? This is your inspection time.
What the hell? Hey, come on, Doug. Hold it right.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?